Now we can use two different commands to perform a forward or a backward search. So to match a pattern in the forward direction, I'll type in, when I'm in command mode, I'll type in this slash, so forward slash, and then I'll type in the pattern I want to type, so sample, and this will show me the pattern available that is matching to the pattern I've put in my search in the forward direction. If I want to match a pattern in the backward direction, in command mode I'll type in question mark, and this will show me the pattern that matches in the backward direction. Now to repeat the search that was performed previously in the same or opposite direction, we can use small n and capital N. So I search for the pattern sample in the backward direction using the question mark, and what I can now do is I can type in small n, and this will go in the backward direction and search for the pattern that I previously typed in, or I can hit capital N and this will search in the forward direction. Now let's do the same thing using forward slash. So let's search for try this time and hit enter. Now I'm at 80% of the file, so just look at this, and I searched in the forward direction. Now let's try small n. So small n goes in the forward direction, which means the direction that I originally searched in, and capital N will search in the backward direction for me. So you see, I'm searching in the backward direction if I look at it here.